Hey peeps, okay, check this out. Some cats out there, they've been eyeing in them shortcuts like copying a stash of backlinks from spots like GSA SEO website ranking backlinks. They be thinking, yo, I'll be sitting pretty on Google's throne in no time. But let me tell you, that's just a fast track to a world of hurt. See, the real deal ain't about the quantity, it's about the quality. You feel me? Google ain't playing around. They're looking for them top shelf backlinks, not some cheap knockoffs. You drop 100 grand on backlinks, but if they coming from sketchy joints, you ain't doing yourself no favors. Backlink game ain't just about grabbing any link you can get your hands on. Nah, it's about making sure those links come from spots that make sense for your biz. GSA sir might sling links from all over the block, but if they ain't got nothing to do with you business, with what you're selling, you're just wasting your time, dig? Google ain't dumb, bro. They know when you're trying playing them with shady SEO moves. Mess around with tools like GSA, SER, Black Hat, backlinks, and you're flirting with disaster. You might think you're outsmarting the system, but them algorithms, they ain't playing games. You risk getting slapped with penalties that send your ranking straight to the basement. You wanna win at this SEO game? Ain't no shortcuts. You gotta grind it out, building them backlinks one solid connection at a time. Forget them quick fixes. Focus on dropping quality content that attracts them legit backlinks from the big players. So listen up, cause this siren song of them easy wins might be calling your name. But resist the temptation, alright? Dabbling in them 100 grand GSA or 400 grand GSA, whatever SEO website ranking backlinks is a recipe for disaster. If you wanna own the SEO game, you gotta play the smart play drill. Quality over quantity, relevance over randomness. That's how you lock in that long-term shine in the digital jungle. Until next time, adios amigos.